Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Insane Graphics, everything on your smartphone. We've been carrying out some tutorials on graphics. This is my new channel using Pixel app purely on mobile phones, and today I just want to explain to you how I compress my videos. If you look at my videos, you see that most recently my videos have been in 4K resolution. Now sometimes, let's say you are having a folktale channel where you upload videos. After producing your videos, you see that the video is almost 30 something gig. I had one that was up to 30 gigabytes, and I was thinking how to upload that video. So I want to show you how you can compress your videos on mobile phone and still retain the quality. Exactly, you will still retain the quality of that video. Please stick to this channel. I'll show you. This channel is about everything on smartphone. Everything on smartphone. I know you're asking, how do I compress my videos? Exactly, that's why we are producing, or we are going through this. How do I compress my video size? Right here, video size on my phone. Are you following? How do I compress my video size on my phone? Of course, we have many applications that you can use, but I'm going to show you just two that I've been using, and they have been very effective. Exactly. For example, let's look at this. If you look at these videos, look at this one. The raw file of this was almost 30 gigabytes, and then I compressed it, and it is 4.86 gigabytes, and this is in 4K resolution. Exactly. And most of you, depending on your device though, your resolution at 1080p, that is high definition, is enough. So if your phone cannot process or produce videos at 4K, at least 1080p, which is high definition, is okay for you. Hence, look at this. This is 4K resolution, 4.8. Now look at this one. This is 3.38 gigabytes. I compressed this from around 30 gig, and then it became 3.38 gigabytes. Exactly. Then after that, I now recompress this from 4K resolution, are you following, to this 1080p. Exactly, 1080p. This one is 1080p. That's why you are seeing 447 megabytes. So you can see the difference is the gap from 3.38 gig to 447 megabyte. I know some of you want to save your data. This is the best app for you that I'm going to show you quickly. So let's verify this so that let's look at the information properties. Let's look at the properties of this. Look at it. It's 1920 by 1080. So this is 1080p resolution. Exactly. You can see the video. This is 1080p. So I've converted this. But let me show you the procedure. Now I'll show you two applications that you can use. Number one is video compressor. Exactly, video compressor. This is the app I use now to compress my videos. You can also use it to trim your video, increase or reduce the speed, crop your video, convert, and many more. We're going to do these tutorials later. Even images. Imagine you want to reduce the image size, you can do that. You can compress that image here. Exactly. Then this is what we're after. Exactly. So let's look at it. Where's my folder? I want to compress these videos now from 4K resolution. 4K resolution. This one now. Right here, you have options. You have fit to size 25 MB. You have low resolution. You can see medium 1920 by 1080. That's good quality. This one is okay for you depending on your device. Exactly. Large file. All these are high quality, good quality, good quality, high quality, high quality, high quality. But this is 4K resolution. Exactly. This is the highest 4K resolution. So custom file size 20 megabyte. Resolution. If you want to choose original, you choose. Anyone I want to choose. But now we want to convert from 4K resolution to 1080p. Exactly. You can see it now. It's giving me this. I hope this is clear to you, please. If not, you can now use this to control the resolution you want to select. But for easy access, just select this, and start. Exactly. So when it is done, please note, depending on the file size, this will take you time, and depending on your phone, your smart device, sometimes your phone will be very hot during this process because your phone demands high capacity processor and even battery consumption. So make sure your battery is okay and make sure your phone is good to go. Exactly. And then when you want to compress, please, I usually compress my videos when I want to sleep so that before I wake up, everything is done. Sometimes it takes up to 6 hours. Like the 30 gigabyte took up to 3-4 hours. So please take note of this so that before you start compressing, you don't need to be in a haste. You need to calm down. So these are the final output after compressing my videos using video compressor. Now this is the process. Launch the app. Okay, then tap on compress video and select the video. Let's scroll to backup. Okay, this is a file now, 3.14 gigabyte. Let's select it. Let's okay it. Now these are the options, exactly like I've showed you earlier, but for these already this is in 4K resolution, so we are converting to 1080p, which is high definition. This will take some time, like you can see it happening. Let's fast forward quickly. This is the final product, the output, exactly after some time. Alright, this is your final output. Exactly. This is what we have. It has been compressed from 3.14 gigabyte to 447.51 megabyte. You can see from 4K to 1080p, and this is okay for your channel. Please take note of this. This is how you reduce the video size for your channel using your smartphone. If you don't want to use this one, open AZ screen recorder. You need to download this app, exactly, on Google. So just search for these apps on Google and download them. This app is also useful. You can use it to compress videos. Look at it, compress videos. So you can use this app too. For this pro option, so you need to pay for this, but I'm having pro versions of my applications. If you need the pro version, I'll drop the link on the comment section. Is that clear? So please take note, we have other apps, but for today we'll limit ourselves to A to Z screen recorder and video compressor. Please, if you have other applications that you use to compress your videos on mobile phone, you can drop them in the comment section down below so that other people can learn and download. That is that for today. Thank you for watching. Do stay tuned for other tutorials.